Hey guys, my name is Area, I'm the public relations for DePauw iFood, and today we're going into Scoops. We're gonna order the weirdest item that we can find, and then I'm gonna draw what it tastes like. So I hope you guys enjoy this and that you have fun with it. Oh, it smells so good in here. What would you say is the weirdest item in the menu?
I think that the weirdest thing that we have on our menu is the dusty road because it's covered in like malt powder, and I just think that malt is gross. So.
Well, I think I'm gonna get one of those then.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes.
What kind of ice cream would you like with it?
Ooh. Let's see. What if you just surprise me? You choose.
Okay. Do you want it to be good? Or gross?
Oh goodness. What about half and half?
Okay, that's fair.
So here we have the dusty road. It's like covered in malt. I'm not really sure of what the ice cream is. I'm just hoping that it's gonna be good or decent. So yeah, let's try this. Also, FYI, this is my first time trying malt. I didn't even know what it was. So yeah, cheers to new experiences. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I'm ready to draw. So, I don't know how to draw frogs, evidently, but oh, well, hello. This is a frog. It's not supposed to look like a spider. I'm so sorry. I don't know how to draw frogs. But anyways, I drew a frog in kind of like a swamp. It kind of tastes muddy. Not a big fan of the malt. He was right, it's gross. But I also drew a tree because it kind of tastes like lemon a little bit. I didn't really draw the lemons, but yeah, these are the colors that I think about when I eat this. So yeah, I hope you guys like my beautiful, beautiful drawing. Yum. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment with what you think the grossest ice cream flavor is. So iFood is going to be hosting the Rice Paradise on April 14th. We're gonna have rice-based dishes from all over the world. So please come to our event. We're gonna be sending out information on it soon. You can follow us on Instagram on DePauw iFood, and then you'll get all the information about it. So yay! Thumbs up!
That's a cursed image.